nicely, and I am out at 430 Davis Road, and we just took some pictures of this property. It is absolutely fantastic. We're offering it for a rent to own, so come on in, let me show you around. Now, this property is available for rent to own, but it is gonna need some work, all right? This porch needs some work. Some of the floors need some work, but, oh, I fell off the step there. See, there needs to be a step there. But it's in great shape. It's got new fans. It's got some new flooring in here. I think they probably had like a TV recessed right there into the wall. Whoever was living here had a lot of plans. They just didn't finish it. The door needs to be put back onto this bedroom, but then this bedroom is in great shape. It's pink. If you love pink, and y'all know I love pink, so I think this is fantastic. It's got a closet there. And again, just put the door back on this bedroom and you're good to go. It does have central heat and air, and this would be the second bedroom. And it's a great size bedroom as well. The original hardwood's in this one. There's a closet behind the door there. So it does have a great living space, 2 bedrooms, and then we've got 1 bathroom right here. Hey y'all! Now it just has a tub. So if I was living here, I would want a shower. But if you just like the tub, then go for it. Knock yourself out, baby. But again, when we do these rent to own houses, you're welcome to change anything and do anything. The appliances are in here right now and they will stay. So that's fantastic. It's got a nice galley kitchen with a door to the backyard here. It's got good cabinets, and then somebody has added on this room and they were using it as a dining room, but it's got the washer and dryer hookups as well. So dining room, washer and dryer room, laundry room, whatever you want it to be, it's just right off the kitchen. So yeah, this house is fantastic. And there is a basement, so you got some more storage space. There's a shed outside that you can use for outside stuff that needs to be protected. This house is awesome. Again, I'm at 430 Davis Road in Strawberry Plains, 2 bedroom, 1 bath, and we're asking, I think, $750 a month for this. Our purchase price is $69,900, and we're taking offers on, you know, how much do you want to put down to be able to move in and do a rent to own on this. And, you know, depending on how much you put down, maybe we'll take less per month. It's all good. Y'all send us some offers. Stop by. You can call Whitney Buys Houses, 865-309-4500. You can also text us, and Miranda and Madison, I don't know where they are right now, but they will call or text you back, give you the code so you can come on in and check out 430 Davis Road in Strawberry Plains. Y'all come on in. Check this house out and make it your home. Bye, y'all.